Nice little game of tic-tac-toe. Cat versus man. Cat can't use a pen or a pencil, but the cat can make its own choice about where it wants to go in the grid. Let's see if the cat can beat me. Am I the biggest pussy? Maybe. Let's find out. I'll write the selection, but they'll make the choice and you'll see how. Best 3 out of 5, that's it. Otherwise someone's gonna get sick. You'll see. Curio the cat will be noughts, me the man, I'll be crosses, X's. Okay? So then you know who's doing well and bad. This is what will help Curio the cat play her best game possible. Whoever loses will have to have a nasty forfeit. It'll be different for me if I lose to what it will be for the cat. Both equally upsetting. Let's hope I win. I'll go first. Okay. She's took her go. You're very keen to play, I see. You'll go. Yep, she's taking her go. Okay, I win that one. 1-0 to the man. I win game 1, now game 2. Unlucky, Curio. Okay, you can go first this time. There you go. Live with your choice. My turn. You'll go. Yeah. Okay, my turn. Your turn. Made your choice. You lose again. That's 2-0 to me. Now she has to win all 3 of the remaining games. It's to be more strategic. I'll go first now. You'll go. You must really not want to take your go. Come on. My turn. There you go. And unfortunately you lose again. I win. So here's the punishment we spoke about. And I'm sorry, but it's the worst punishment possible. It's really nasty. Here's the punishment. Bye-bye. No more treats. Harshest punishment possible. You lose and you starve. At least until the camera stops rolling. Give you a chance to win yourself one. Not that you will.
Okay, that's yours.
Well, that's good. You win! She won! I'm the big pussy for the consolation for the cat.